Hi, welcome to my AMA channel. This is Madhubabu. Now I am going to explain about polygons. We should learn about polygons before going to learn about triangles and quadrilaterals. Why? Because triangles, quadrilaterals are examples for polygons. I hope this video will help you learn more about polygons. Polygons. It is a Greek word. Poly means many, gon means angle. So polygon means many angles. The actual definition is polygon means a two-dimensional closed figure which is having at least three sides. These all are two-dimensional figures. Here a two-dimensional closed figure. So polygon should be closed figure and which is having at least three sides. Only sides. So this is a closed figure which is having three sides. So this is a polygon. It is a closed figure which is having at least three sides. This is also a closed figure which is having sides. So these all are examples for polygons. This is a closed figure but it has no sides. So this is not a polygon. This is a closed figure but it has curves, no sides. So it is not a polygon. It has sides but not closed. So this is not a polygon. Here some sides including curve. So completely sides, no sides. So it is also not a polygon. Types of polygons. According to the types of their sides and angles, there are two types. One is regular polygon, other one is irregular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon in which all sides including angles are equal, then this type of polygons are said to be regular polygons. For example, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and also all angles are equal. So this type of polygons are said to be regular polygon. In square also, in square all sides are equal and all angles are right angles. So in for this polygon, all sides are equal and also all angles are equal. So this is also a regular polygon. Here rhombus. Rhombus is not regular polygon. Why? Because here all sides are equal but all angles are not equal. Suppose this is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. This is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. All sides are equal but all angles are not equal. So rhombus is not a regular polygon. A regular polygon should be all angles and all sides are equal. If it is not a regular polygon, then that type of polygons are said to be irregular polygon. So rhombus is an example for irregular polygon. According to the interior angles of a polygon, there are two types. One is convex polygon, another one is concave polygon. What is convex polygon? A polygon with no interior angle can be more than 180 degrees. That means each interior angle should be less than 180 degrees. So this is a polygon. Here each interior angle of this polygon is not more than 180 degrees. So this is an example for convex polygon and this is a pentagon. So each interior angle of a pentagon is not more than 180 degrees. So this is also an example for convex polygon. A polygon which is not a convex polygon is called concave polygon. What is concave polygon? A polygon with any interior angle is more than 180 degrees. At least here all angles here, each angle except this. This is also interior angle of this polygon. Except this angle, remaining all angles are not more than 180 degrees. But this interior angle is reflex angle. It is greater than 180 degrees. So this type of polygons are said to be concave polygons. Another one. Suppose take any 2 points on this polygon and join. This line segment should be in this polygon only. Then this type of polygons are convex polygons. I check these 2 points and join. This line segment should be in the polygon itself. So this is also a convex polygon. This polygon, I check 2 points here and here. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. But this line segment not in this polygon. So this type of polygons are said to be concave polygon. According to their boundaries, polygons are 2 types. One is simple polygon, another one is a complex polygon. What is a simple polygon? It has only one boundary. It has one boundary. So this type of polygons are simple polygons. This is also, it has also one boundary. So it is a simple polygon. It has the boundaries cross over itself. So this type of polygons are complex polygons. Name of the polygons. Number of sides, shape, name of the polygon. A simple polygon which is having 3 sides. The type of polygon is said to be triangle. A simple polygon which is having 4 sides. It is said to be quadrilateral. A simple polygon with 5 sides. It is called pentagon. A simple polygon with 6 sides is called hexagon. A polygon with 7 sides is called septagon or heptagon. A simple polygon with 8 sides is called octagon. A simple polygon with 9 sides is called nanogon. A simple polygon with 10 sides is called decagon. So these are the some polygons according to their number of sides. We are going to discuss about some formulas for polygons to find interior angles, sum of the interior angles, each interior angle of a regular polygon, sum of the exterior angles and each exterior angle of a regular polygon, and number of diagonals of a polygon. First of all, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Here, each interior angle of a regular polygon. There is a lot of difference between regular polygon and a polygon. Sum of interior angles of any polygon here. Any polygon. This is the formula. N minus 2 into 180 degrees. Here n means number of sides of a polygon. Suppose I take a triangle. To find sum of interior angles. Already we know that sum of interior angles of a triangle how much? 180 degrees. See, triangle has 3 sides. So substitution 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 into 180 degrees. So triangle has 180 degrees. So this is the formula for any polygon. But it is only for regular polygons. We cannot find each interior angle of irregular polygons. We can find only each interior angle of regular polygons only. What is the formula? Each interior angle of regular, only for regular polygons, sum of interior angles by number of sides. So sum of interior angles already formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees by number of sides we can consider as n. So this is the formula to find each interior angle of a regular polygon. Next, sum of exterior angles of a polygon. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Any polygon, pentagon, triangle, quadrilaterals, hexagon, whatever may be, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. For example, I take a rectangle, I extend this line, here formed an exterior angle, this is 90 degrees, and I extend this side, here with this side form an exterior angle. Next, extended this side, here with this side formed an exterior angle, and extend this side, here with this side formed an exterior angle. Interior angles, each interior angle we know of a rectangle, that is 90 degrees. So linear pair axiom for this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Next, each exterior angle of a regular polygon. We can find exterior angles, each exterior angles of regular polygons only. We cannot find the irregular polygons. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degrees by n. N means number of sides. So we can. Next, number of diagonals of a polygon. What is meant by diagonals? Each diagonal connects one vertex to another vertex of a polygon. That is not a next door neighbor. That means, suppose I take a quadrilateral, these are the vertex A, B, C, D. Each diagonal connects the vertex to another vertex of a polygon. That is not next door of neighbor. Suppose I take this vertex D and B are called next door of the vertex A. So we cannot join. These are the actually sides. So we can join this vertex. So this is not next door neighbor. So we can join it. This line segment is called diagonal. So for the vertex B, A and C are called next door neighbors. So we cannot join. Already these are sides. So this vertex and this vertex we can join. This line segment is called diagonal. So we can draw two diagonals. According to this formula, we will check. Number of sides of a quadrilateral 4, and 4 minus 3 means 1 by 2. So we cancel it. 2 in 4, 2 times cancel. So number of diagonals of a quadrilateral is 2. Pentagon has 5 sides into 5 minus 3, 2 divided by 2. This 2 will cancel. So pentagon has 5 diagonals. So by using this formula, we can find the number of diagonals of a polygon. These are the basics of polygons. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics. If you could not subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.